Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and today is Monday, October 15th of 2018. So a couple quick announcements for today. We do have picture retakes that are happening today in the art room. Also, we all have a kindergarten field trip that's happening for this morning. They should be back probably around 12 or 12:30 today. For our lunch choices, we have crispy oven-baked drumstick, and then we have barbecue riblet sandwich and some butter and jelly sandwich. And continuing with our pause and our anti-bullying and stomping out bullying for the month of October, and since today is a Monday, I do have a message for anti-bullying today. It's a video that would probably go for more 4th and 5th graders, but I think you'll get the message if you watch it very closely. Okay, boys and girls, very good message. It only takes one of you to stand up to bullying, so if you see somebody being bullied, make sure you stand up for them. I know a lot of the kids that we did things and discussions for our pause for bullying, that was one of the things that many of them had mentioned. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please stand. Put your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, boys and girls, and thank you very much for all the things that you do for Perry Elementary. Let's make Monday the best day this week, and let's make great choices today, and let's think about that video. If you see something wrong or something not going right for a student, it only takes one of you to stand up for them to stop it. So you make the choices, you make it a great day.